going on, YouTube? Harley-Motodude here with another video. I just got back from a ride to Hell's Kitchen with my grandpa, and I was gonna videotape there, but I don't know, it's kind of a, you know, on a ride I didn't feel like doing it, I guess. Today's topic is sport bikes versus cruisers or Harleys, or just cruisers in general, and why I picked a Harley, a cruiser, over a sport bike. Why I picked a Harley over a sport bike or a different cruiser, I should say, I guess, because my family all has Harleys, and I think that's a big thing with Harley riders, is most, you know, your friends or family has them, and then you would get one too. I think I don't think I'd be comfortable on a sport bike. They're too, you know, you're bent over too much. Your feet are all like behind you, and it just, to me, it seems like a very awkward position to be riding. So I mean, I don't know. It just seems like it'd be awkward to ride, you know, crouch down a lot. I don't know. I mean, maybe to some people it'd work out, or it seemed like it'd be a good, comfortable ride, but I guess I'm just too big of a guy. And as far as, like, you know, the metric bikes versus Harleys, I mean, I don't know, I couldn't tell you one way or another. I was gonna buy a Honda Shadow, but I ended up getting a Harley because, come on, it's a Harley. I mean, it's a Harley, you know? But I mean, I don't look bad or down upon people who ride like Hondas or Yamahas or any other kind of bikes. I mean, I know a lot of people do, but I don't. And as I guess as far as resale value goes, though, I mean, Harleys are where it's at. I mean, look at, like, say, the Honda Shadow. You spend 10 grand on a brand new Honda Shadow, 2 years later you're selling that thing for like 3 or 4. And like, compared to a Harley, you spend 16, 17, I don't know, on say like my bike, brand new, 17,000. And I ended up spending 10.5. They're asking, I think, 14. Talked them down. Yeah, somewhere around there. So I mean, and this bike's 2 years old, 3 years old. So I don't know, though. I mean, I guess if you look at it, I think Harleys are, you know, it's like the stigma of American motorcycles, you know, Harley. But then again, if my family didn't own them, I probably wouldn't have bought one. So it tells you that much, you know. And that's another thing with Harley riders. You know, people say, you know, Harley riders don't wave to sport bikes or other cruisers. Harley riders don't wave to anyone. Like, I'll wave to everyone. And the majority of the time, the people who wave back are sport bikes. And like, you know, Hondas. And Harley riders don't even wave. Maybe it's because I'm wearing a full face helmet. That's how, like, you know, Harley riders are like, you know, it's like, shit, just because I'm wearing a full face helmet, you can't even wave to me. That's what I think's a little fucked up about the situation. Like, you're either full-blown Harley rider, you know, with your leather jacket and shit, and your half helmet that's not even like protecting anything at all. I mean, I have one too, but it's still DOT approved. I don't wear those, you know, those buckets, the fucking the ones that have like no padding, they're not DOT approved. Like, I get it, it's cool as fuck, but you're dumb as fuck to wear that. It's not going to protect anything at all. Like, what's the point? I don't know, it just seems a little weird to me. I get it though, I mean, it's cool, like, yeah, I'm wearing this bucket. But I mean, I still value my life, so I'm going to protect my head as much as possible. I'm wearing a full face helmet and I ride a Harley. So, and plus the wind's a bitch. Like, I don't even get it. How are you riding? Like, I understand they make windshields and stuff, but I mean, I'm getting the front fairing right here. That's going to like come up to like right here. That's my next purchase. And that should be blocking majority of the wind. And by then I'll probably will wear my half helmet. That's still DOT approved. Granted, is it safer than this helmet I'm wearing now? Hell no. I also need to get one of those comm systems, because it would be nice that when I'm on a ride that I can talk to the people I'm riding with. And you know, hey, I need to take a piss or something. I want a cigarette. I need to stop. But yeah, the ride to Hell's Kitchen was actually pretty nice. I thought it was going to be a lot longer, but it's only like 5 miles up the hill of Ortega Highway in Lake Elsinore. I kind of get way off topic, huh? I was talking about sport bikes versus cruisers. I guess this is a different genre. I mean, a thing. You know, you're on a sport bike, you go fast. You take corners hard. You're on a cruiser, you're cruising. I like cruising. I don't feel the need for speed, as they say. I like to just do my thing, take my time, enjoy the ride. I mean, shit, a lot of people on Harleys fucking haul ass, or cruisers haul ass. I just don't feel the need for it. Plus, it's hotter than fuck today. It's like 90-something degrees, springtime in California. What happened to like the 70s? I need to move. I need to move out of California. This is not my kind of weather. My kind of weather is like constant 50 to 60 degrees. Constant. Summer, winter, just 50 to 60 degrees, no more. Maybe you can go less, but just 60, 70 max. 70 would be my max. God, that'd be awesome. Just wake up every day and you can wear a jacket if you want. That's how just nice it would be. I don't get why people who live up north that don't like the winter, they come down here for the summers. This place sucks during the summer. It's freaking miserable. It's like 100 and something degrees till like 9 o'clock at night. And even then, it doesn't cool down. It'll be like 90. Oh, I'm gonna have to open this for a second. Excuse me, sorry about that. I had an itchy nose. Oh, it's still itchy. The one thing about full face helmets that suck. When you have to sneeze or itch your nose, it fucking sucks. Oh god. My nose itches so badly. I need to get some pipes too. Weak ass sounding bike. Vlog number 2 sucks. I know. Yeah, it's not even going to be that long. Well, in conclusion, folks, if you want to go fast, you get a sport bike. If you want to cruise around and look badass, get a cruiser. That's the motto. I don't know. Sport bike riders, I mean, they're pretty badass too, I guess, if you're into that. I mean, if anyone pictures a motorcycle, what's the first company you think of? Usually it's Harley. Oh, I need to take a nap. It's friggin' hot out here. Hopefully the air conditioner's on. And I'm wearing a long sleeve because I didn't want to get sunburned because my skin's so sensitive. Not really. It's this last time I went on a ride, my fucking skin burnt. I was peeling for like 2 weeks.